Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500-gram Happy Family Fireworks cake called Desperados. Alright, so all the artwork is the same on every side. So this side has the performance. Let's check that out. It's TI Gold Coconut with Jade Green and TI Gold Coconut with Red Blue. 25 shots. We got this over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. So yeah, there's 25 shots, 5 across, 5 back, all vertical. That's what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, if you guys like this cake, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know your comments down below in the comment section. See you guys.